Yeah, this is a battery bike.
Yeah, man, a
I've
bike.
never seen one so big.
Mm.
But I've seen the one with the smaller wheels.
Mm. So
Wow.
this a bag I know like a computer, you know.
Computer in this.
Yeah,
Okay, and the
this a
battery is in
computer.
this.
And it's a battery.
Okay, and this one
Then
shift
I
the
leave.
gear from. Okay, from
It's an idea, man. I leave at them. I
yes,
say,
yes,
that's something I have to come out or go in.
yeah.
Yes,
And which one move it from the? Which one move it from that sprocket to? Which one put it to
You
us?
know, use the chain. Right? The chain can't take off.
Oh,
I'm glad if you out of service, you
If you're out of service, no, you
yeah.
can't pay
So you charge the battery from home?
Right.
Wow, this bike is bad. So give us a spin off the road and man, just running go for road, Mr. Zero. Oh, you see me? You starting?
I was right in the top. I hold on all the clutch and
Hey,
like
clutch.
You know,
So that one gear that.
second.
Ah, where you say?
More if me move off in a second.
Hey, see down here road going on. Let me see where I go on now.
If me catch it earlier in second, you know where I go.
Okay. Hey. Shaja youth. I've never seen.
I never seen one like that.
Me see the smaller one. Ready?
Come get the beach up, come beach up. It's up.
Brandon Hills. Chacha youth. Me come where country come see them big
Second mission.
me see them all the time but not so big.
Yeah, we see one along water, you know, you have
Brother, one night time I come from up something the road. Trafalgar Road. And I see one small one and I say, me I come down the road, I couldn't keep up with the man. You know? And the little battery bike, but it's way more like, that one was more like a BMX bicycle. But the man I go hard, but the wheel was big. Never see it. Yeah. But for improvement are going up in the hills there though. So like them keep a stage show there so tonight. Oh. Brandon Hill. Hey. This guy is as I would the explaining myself, today's vlog is coming from in the deep hills of Clarendon, Brandon Hill. Hey, and that's it's Brandon Hill Hardware and Farm Store. Yes, and restaurant, Super 7, jerk, roast, burger, hot dog, everything in place there, guys. Music is playing, I have to stay away. Nice homes in the hills. So this here is a farming here, lot of banana. This here is very hilly. So like for instance, you can see a house is in the hills, yeah. And this driveway here is a road. This up in the hill bring you to someone else's home. Yes, G. Bless up, my G. Yeah, man, bless up. Been good. Bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up. Just strolling around for you guys. Lots of, there's two ways, either you're going down or you're going up the hill. Gentlemen, aya. It's a house up on the hill. There's another one, yeah. And the cleaning up is going on in that area. Brandon Hill, Clarendon. Very hilly. Nice, cool here. It's very windy. If you look in the distance there, you can see a lot of pine trees there. And everywhere you look, there is some form of cultivation. You know, you have bananas, you see breadfruit, you see mango, you see oranges, a lot of stuff. It's planted here. And this is church, Seventh-day Adventist Church, Brandon Hill. This building is abandoned here. And there are some graves on the side where the cleaning has been done. They'll be cleaning and they'll be cooking and they'll be painting. And just to prove it to you guys, that's still where I'm at. It is the Seventh-day Adventist Church, Brandon Hill, donated in memory of Christopher and Rebecca Newell. What does that mean? Does that mean this plot of land was donated by Christopher and Rebecca? Don't know. I'm a stranger here, so I have no idea what that means. Going to the back of the church, just on the work that I'm not being persecuted for being at the premises. But I just want to demonstrate it. It's a big breadfruit tree right here. And the homes are nice. The people, they build the house and they paint them up nicely. You can see nice homes in the hills. And look at the environment in this area, guys. Nice blue skies. And I am on a shady tree standing right now, guys. There's a shade. Hey, you dogs. Good morning, dogs. Good morning, dogs. I have a lot of dogs over there. You can see 2 dogs telling me to get off the church property. Get off the church property. That's what those dogs are saying. Get off the church property. So I'm gonna be obedient and leave. But very cool here, very cool. We don't have a lot of wind at this time, but it's very cool. Yeah? The area is very cool. And I didn't count the amount of persons that journey here today. I know there's a bus and there's 2 cars. Whoa, and they start to light fire in the distance there. Hey, how you doing? Doing okay? And water is here to go up the hill. Oh, I'm gonna carry one. I don't know if I can manage it all the way up, but I'm trying. And that's water. I have to go up the hill there. Whoa, can I manage? I'm gonna try to go up the hill. Up the hill with this water. By the time you reach up at the hill, to the top of the hill, me bus. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And you, Miss who love camera, what are you studying? You're not studying anything? Let me see. Right. Oh, what your game is called? What your game is called?
Sakura Simulator.
Sakura, what?
Sakura.
Oh. Hey, this young lady is studying. What kind of game is that she's playing? Let me see.
Hey, yo, mate.
Play your game, let me see.
Hey, yo.
Play your game, let me see.
Hey, yo, mate.
Play your game, let me see. Yeah. Can't play it. Whoa, you chicken tough. Again. Hey. So, I'll go another part there. We are going to fry chicken. What?
Curry and fry.
Curry and fry. And this hour of the day, chicken is high C. Hey.
Who says so? You want to catch fire outside? I don't want to catch it.
No, that one in the kitchen.
You want to catch it?
One in chicken, the pan.
Oh.
Wow. Chopping up on in the hills here. The grave's been cleaned out. Voila. Hey. Wow, these guys are chopping down this place. Can you see how cool this area looks, guys? Very cool. So you see we are having a lot of trees here. And those guys are chopping the way out there. And this guy is saying he's crazy with his last. So I'm gonna showcase him how he wheel him last. So this here is very hilly and tiring to climb up here. Voila, voila. Voila, was? Oh. Voila, voila, voila. Oh, we have a coconut tree here. Cedar tree, coconut. Oh, pimento. Oh, it's a apple tree and jackfruit tree. I'm gonna show you a close-up shot on the jackfruit there, guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What kind of a tree is this? It's a mango tree. Ah, it's a mango tree, and it is. The bank is nice. This is nice. 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 Yeah, these guys are chopping the way I am. He said he's a cutlass man and he's crazy. Chopping. Not a problem, camera, G. You're not a problem, camera. You're not a problem, camera. Okay. Okay. Well, wherever you go, you kind of record people like that. Some people get really offended about it. You know? Well, that is it, you know. We can't be wrong doing in our country. We have to just do it thing and do it thing clean. It not pay. It not pay no day. So these guys are chopping the way out, guys. So this is how they do it. One to the left and one to the right. So one chop meet the other, and before you know it, and them, you know,
One tambo tree right there.
one who?
One tambo, not two.
Yeah. Oh, one tambo.
Yeah, not two.
Oh, this gentleman in the black is Tambo. And this guy say he has no problem with camera because he's not a wrongdoer. He has nothing to hide. He's just a last wheeler. A little bro, while you chop, look out for was. Because it's kind of crowded here. You gonna light fire again?
No.
Oh, you see was?
No. The boldness I can't bust in the
I did. That is a look out for was. You know? I'm just strolling through for you guys. And we're coming from down there, the church is there. BJ, got a problem with camera? Got a problem with camera? We want to show the grill.
No problem, you know.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, yeah. So much good? 3? 1, 2, 3.
Bill!
Yo, you're billing. But Mary must have something about camera.
Oh, yeah.
Are you feel like the fire so near to the grave?
Being good, Japanese.
You know, doing nothing? Well, I mean, not light the fire, not fire so near to my family grave, you know. They would think, see, they just say you burn them out.
No, we tell him, sir, man, I courage.
Oh.
But are we?
When dream tonight and say you're burning pan in foot. Eh? No, imagine that there's somebody burning foot.
I know you put your head.
No, man. A foot.
Oh,
I had one on there now. So one on there. So whatever keep them back for? Whatever keep them back for? Yeah, yeah, I saw them stay. We are in the hills, guys. We are in the field with this drinking one here, searching for bananas. Take your time, Chappy, bro. Take it. All right. The small banana is coming down. Hey, that one was just catching. No, me no want to carry. We can keep here. It's a coconut tree there. And what? Breadfruit tree. And this is what cedar tree is looking like, guys. That one. Using the banana to plant on this cedar tree. And you see, you get and the breeze is nice up in here. And this goat keep crying. What happened? What are you crying for? Man! What are you crying for? What? Apa mau kau? Look at it. We are way up in the hills, guys. You'd never believe that Clarendon was so flat. And then now we are way up in the hills. We are in the forest, guys. You can call it the forest. We are in the hills. Searching. Yes, me have this one. Searching for bananas. What more come for? Oh yeah. Yeah, you know just move come okay. Oh me go down. Hey, I get down. One piece. And look at the beauty in the hills. Look at using this banana to pine. Look at the hills, guys. Way up in the hills of Clarendon. And we have a cow here. This cow is eating away. And right here we get sugarcane. Look at sugarcane, guys. This one is called crawfish cane. This is sugarcane. That's where sugarcane is planted. And we have banana, we have chocolate, breadfruit, pimento. Yes, guys, it's very hilly and nice in this area. Very windy in this part of the ground. Yes. Yes, guys, they're gonna show you how this guys bring cane. This is how we load it on the shoulder. And you go down the hill. I'm gonna walk you through. Oh, look at that. Here there, guys. It's beautiful up there. Very hilly. I like this area. It's very hilly. We have nice houses up here as well. Very nice houses. And it's the road. Hey bro, you have any problem with camera? You want to say hi to my camera? You have YouTube? You ever watch YouTube video before? Okay. This youngster here. He says, I asked him if he know anything about YouTube and he says no. It's very strange. Look at the road that we have to traverse to come this side, guys. And people live all the way back there. See? And people are chilling under this tent right here. And this is the road that we have to traverse. It's very hilly. So by the time I go back to my home, I should be fit after climbing all these hills here. Very nice here though, guys. So as we proceed through this day, guys, I'm encouraging you to continue to like my videos, continue to share them with your family and your friends, guys. And that when you share or subscribe to my channel, it's growth for me, it's entertainment for you. So while I try my best to showcase, guys, I'm encouraging you to, give me your full support. And I am lost. Am I lost? I am lost. I'm not sure. No, I'm not lost. I thought I was lost. Where am I supposed to be? Okay. Let me walk. Let me walk it this side, guys. So as I said before, this is the area that these people have to traverse. This area, and we are coming from up there. And I'm not going through the bush this time. I'm just showing you guys how these people have to traverse in this side of the community here, up in the hills of Brandon Hill. Yes, guys. And I am walking away around and see you have houses right throughout this area. Houses. People have cars up here too. Yeah. I'm circling around. Okay. And if you can see the design of how these people make the graves in this area. This is how the graves are like, you know. So we're showcasing, guys. We are in the hills of Brandon Hill. So if I didn't introduce myself to you before, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you come across this video. I encourage you to like, share, subscribe, leave a sweet comment, forever blessed, as we showcase in and around our country, Jamaica. This guy is not afraid of camera. Big up yourself, G. Yeah, build up a little one there. Legal to build one. Oh, me don't forget this uphill. I don't think they're going to cook this one. It's still a carry cup. Khaleesi. Say hi to Ever Blessed family. Why Shava your face looking like that? Your face just look like I should scared. Khaleesi, what you watching? What you watching again? You watch the same thing again? Oh. You tell us happy mouth you have, you know. Khaleesi, happy mouth you have. And the chef are at work. Hey. You need flour? Oh. Super cook. What go under the pot there? Big. Oh, a rice pot. Pumpkin rice? Curry rice?
Something not coming along, eh? Wow.
Hey, chicken I come fry, you know. Yes, sir. Chicken is fried. And the fried rice. Pepper garlic. Hey. Rice. Rice are in a pot. Belly too full. And this is one of the bananas that we just. This is one of the bananas that we just harvest, guys. Let's harvest that one. So what do I keep them back for? What do I keep them back for? Yeah, I saw them stay. We are in the hills, guys. We are in the field with this drinking one here, searching for bananas. Take your time, Chappy, bro. Take it. All right. The small banana is coming down. Hey, that one was just catching. No, me don't want to carry. We can keep here. It's a coconut tree there. And what? Breadfruit tree. And this is what cedar tree is looking like, guys. That one. Using the banana to pipe on this cedar tree. And you see, you get and the breeze is nice up in here. And this goat keep crying. What happened? What are you crying for? Man! What are you crying for? What? Apa mo ako ka? Look at it. We are way up in the hills, guys. You would never believe that Clarendon was so flat. And then now we are way up in the hills. We are in the forest, guys. You can call it the forest. We are in the hills. Searching for... Yes, me have this one. Searching for bananas. What more come for? Oh yeah. Yeah, you know just move come for. Oh, me go down. Hey, I get down. One piece. And look at the beauty in the hills. Look at using this banana to pine. Look at the hills, guys. Way up in the hills of Clarendon. And we have a cow here. This cow is eating away. And right here we get sugarcane. Look at sugarcane, guys. This one is called crawfish cane. This is sugarcane. That's where sugarcane is planted. And we have banana, we have chocolate, breadfruit, pimento. Yes, guys, it's very hilly and nice in this area. Very windy this part of the Yes. Yes, guys, they're gonna show you how this guys bring cane. This is how you load it on the shoulder and you go down the hill. I'm gonna walk you through. Oh, look at that here there, guys. It's beautiful up there. Very hilly. I like this area. It's very hilly. We have nice houses up here as well. Very nice houses. And this is the road. Hey bro, you have any problem with camera? You want to say hi to my camera? You have YouTube? You ever watch YouTube video before? Okay. This youngster here. He says, I asked him if he know anything about YouTube and he says no. It's very strange. Look at the road that we have to traverse to come this side, guys. And people live all the way back there. See? And people are chilling under this tent right here. And this is the road that we have to traverse. It's very hilly. So by the time I go back to my home, I should be fit after climbing all these hills here. Very nice here though, guys. So as we proceed through this day, guys, I'm encouraging you to continue to like my videos, continue to share them with your family and your friends, guys. And that when you share or subscribe to my channel, it's growth for me, it's entertainment for you. So while I try my best to showcase, guys, I'm encouraging you to, you know, give me your full support. And I am last. Am I last? I am last. I'm not sure. No, I'm not last. I thought I was last. Where am I supposed to be? Okay. Let me walk you this side, guys. So as I said before, this is the area that these people have to traverse this area. And we're coming from up there. And I'm not going through the bush this time. I'm just showing you guys how these people have to traverse in this side of the community here. Up in the hills of Brandon Hill. Yes, guys. And I am walking away around and see you have houses right throughout this area. Houses. People have cars up here too. Yeah. I'm circling around. Okay. And if you can see the design of how these people make the graves in this area. This is how the graves are like, you know. So we're showcasing guys. We are in the hills of Brandon Hill. So if I didn't introduce myself to you before, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you come across this video. I encourage you to like, share, subscribe, leave a sweet comment forever blessed as we showcase in and around our country, Jamaica. This guy is not afraid of camera. Big up yourself, G. Yeah, build up a little one there. Legal. To build one. Oh, me don't forget this up hill. I don't think they're going to cook this one. I still a carry cup. Khaleesi. Say hi to Ever Blessed family. Why Shava your face looking like that? Your face just look like I should scared. Khaleesi, what you watching? What you watching again? You watch the same thing again? Oh. It is happy mouth you have, you know. Khaleesi, happy mouth you have. And the chef are at work. Hey. You need flour? Oh. Super cook. What go under the pot? Big. Oh, a rice pot. Pumpkin rice? Curry rice?
Something na kami na lang ay. Wow.
Hey, chicken I come fry and all. Yes, sir.
No, let's go. Let's go after this morning.
Chicken is fried. And the frying yeah. Pepper garlic.
Mali mo piyagan nyo.
Hey. Rice. Rice are going what? Belly too full. And this is one of the bananas that we just harvest, guys. Let's harvest that one. Hey, what are those? What is that you're carrying?
Clarendon.
Oh, you're gonna do with it?
Make juice.
You're gonna make juice? What the juice is called?
No.
Lemonade! You didn't know? That juice is called lemonade. And it's very refreshing to drink. You know what is that? Come, let's go over here.
I think it's jackfruit.
Is it what?
Jackfruit.
It's called a jackfruit, right?
Mm-hmm.
You see? Look at it. See? You see where this one is from? This starts to be from the ground, low down on the ground, and it goes all the way up. You see? Go up. You see? You be all the way there, and look, all the way up, all the way up. And you don't get this. You don't see this in the town here. It's just in the country here, and we are in the hills. And you're living at the flat. You have chocolate? Wait.
Fruit chocolate.
Oh, you see ripe one?
They're not ripe.
Okay. And this is
It needs to be orange.
oh before they can harvest.
I'm
Okay.
going to show you.
And this is a flower. This one is called a lily. It's a lily. It's a flower. You coming for? It's called a what? Lily pat? Lily pad? No, this is the one in the river is different from this one. You're coming with to show me the chocolate? This youngster here, he's saying that they have chocolate up here. So I'm gonna, and this is the area that these guys just chopped out this year. These gentlemen just chopped, and this is a wild flower. I think it's called a lily, and it's grown on this tree. So nice. Where did you see the chocolate? Where did you see it? Okay. Oh, that one there. Huh? Where?
There's one.
Oh, yeah, that one is young. I see another. Let me see one here. Let me see one here. It's called a chocolate, but this one is young. I think when it turns yellow, you said when it turns yellow? Orange? Come on, yellow. Yellow or orange?
And this flower is called a dragon fruit.
This is called?
Flower.
Oh, this one? Yeah,
No,
yeah.
not that one.
Which one?
That one. Pink one.
That one?
Yeah.
It's called what?
Dragon fruit flower.
Dragon fruit? Talk loud that I can hear you. That flower you call what?
Dragon fruit flower.
Oh, okay, dragon fruit, okay. So what you do, you study these things? You get them as a homework and so in school? Okay. And if you notice that on this tree right here is it wasn't harvested on time, so it dried up. You notice? If they don't, you see it turn black? Look on yeah, look at these. It didn't harvest on time, so it becomes black. You seem to be a very bright girl. What class are you in school?
3.
Grade 3? Oh. And what you like to become when you become an adult?
Doctor.
You want to become a doctor? That means that you'll be taking care of my wounds when I get older, huh? Nice. Nice. Yeah, you know what, you have to work hard for that though. What? Oh, that one, something is eating it. And it look like it's the same thing that happened to these. Something come on board.
That one's ripe and then they
It's not ripe. It's something a bore it to get inside. See that one there? See that one? It's the chocolate. That's something a bore it, but they bore it when it's young, you know? Nice.
and there's one over your head.
Those are this year I need to clean out. Oh, this is where you get the siblings from. Oh, nice.
I think I saw some orange tree like that. Orange.
Oh, so that's orange. What it is very
Orange.
bushy, civil orange. Nice to make drinks.
But we got them from here.
Huh?
We got them from here.
Oh, you get those from here, okay?
Like,
Oh, you see how something heat them? I saw some trees close by. You can see this. Nice. Nice demonstration. You're gonna be a bright girl, all right? But you know that you have to study hard though. You can't play around when you go to school, right? Okay. Hmm?
I don't even think it's a similar in Jordan. I can't tell the difference from those two.
Which one? Which one?
Like that tree over there.
Oh, yeah. And you have right there. You have mango tree and breadfruit tree. And this one right here is a apple tree. And below that one is a jackfruit tree. And then we have coconut tree. Whoa, this place is super nice. And music is playing in the background. I guess you go there. Tell me what is that? What is this plant called?
Called a tuna.
It's called a tuna. And you have a lot. This plant has a lot of benefit. You can use it to wash your hair.
Yeah, I know.
Right. So it's a very strong plant. And this here is chocolate.
We got the chocolate.
Yeah, and that one is ready.
And there's more over there. Chocolate.
Yeah. So we want to get one of this one. We want to get one of this one. We're gonna get down one of this one.
What if it's versus?
I want to see what they hit. We want to show how we harvest them from the tree. Whoa, it's hard to come down. Hey, I just can't get it down.
I know.
Oh, you get this everyone. You want it? Alright, buddy.
And this is our chocolate, Grandma.
Okay. More come.
The chocolate is
No, maybe go watch it. I cut down the banana. Hey! Hey! You chop it. Wait, chop it a rush. Nice one.
Get your one there.
It reach too late.
Late.
Alright, come pick one of the chocolate too, you know. I'm pick one of the chocolate and I'll crack it open.
we use this.
Daddy
No, but we want to see him pick it.
Just gotta put this back now.
No. He's gonna get out there one of this chocolate. Ah, two of them. No, pick someone. So much you pick?
Yeah, pick them down. That's my head in
Oh, you just shoot them down like that, right?
Make the same one if you go.
Okay.
Sure, come baby. Go on with them.
Oh, we want you crack one open. Let's see. We can taste it? No, we want to crack one open.
Alright, me have one.
Okay. She want to be. She want to be there while we crack it.
You want to that too?
She want to be here while we crack
Take
it.
one more. Take one more.
No man, it's alright.
It's
No,
just-
Where did you cut this? Mix it up, let me cut this. Ready now? Come.
Oh, it crack open like that. Are we gonna taste it?
Yeah man,
What it taste? What it tastes like?
Taste it man, it's come like what I say now.
So what's up?
So what's up?
I've never. It tastes like sauce. This one, baby. What it taste like? What it taste like?
Like salsa, I think. Salsa.
Tastes like
Sweet sap.
no, sir. Sour sap.
So what's up?
It tastes like sour sap. This is nice. Oh, nice. But you know that
This is what they use and make the real
Cocoa.
chocolate.
the real cocoa. Huh?
That make a million produce of things.
Yeah. What the name is?
Chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
It make all quality for type of chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Valentine chocolate, regular chocolate,
Mm-hmm.
cocoa tea,
Yeah.
original chocolate tea.
Yeah.
After the one where you dry that now,
Yeah.
process it, beat in a mortar, it become high.
Yeah.
You make them put them nice on, and it become a great type back.
Yeah. That's why they will get chocolatey.
Original chocolate tea that.
Yes.
You got the tin Roma cocoa then divide in one whole heap. You got a whole heap of them. You got Roma cocoa.
Oh yes.
Is it?
Yes.
All of them.
One something.
One.
And they give it a lot of different names. Huh?
So they supposed to pump $1 billion in this small man pocket, but you know the necktie man and him get the whole like
Yeah. Because
You see?
yes.
You understand me?
Yes. So like for instance, if you guys know that, so I
You
think
see, like a small man in attack in Jamaica. Alright now you know. One place on the bridge there. Some people just come in, blue eye people them. And then just tricky little small man them. And gather in a process and take at least $1 million or $1 trillion worth of cocoa from the little people them around the place here.
yes.
Afterward, then it just disappear. Nobody name know which part of the island.
True, because if you notice, if you
Because they make
travel,
money off it.
yes.
You see, and you the general people then use now. Then tell us them always send the money to the bank. So around here now, after I go Morgan's Pass, 2 week time, you go through and you get a little check. For your little thing every 2 weeks. But you know what I mean? Through the money in the money. We know about that we generation no, we no pay no mind. So
The generation before that plant them.
yes man, them keep up it.
So it just boil down now.
When we come and see what produce and the money we make.
Yeah.
And
It kind of discourage you.
Discourage.
Okay, I get it.
So them the fourth parents are gone before we.
Yeah.
them usually cherish it.
Them just satisfied with what they got.
Yes, but
Because they didn't know.
No.
Oh, yo.
But when we come up now and see what we do.
See, if you like it, you keep eating it.
See, and see the money we come out of it. And see the investment we do.
Oh,
and
boy.
the millions are different things we make.
Yes.
And everything have value. Up top value. And when you come down to win out on a little small man, a shilling you get.
Oh boy. Alright. For you to demonstrate so much to my camera, I appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
Give your name and give your name and where you locate.
Sell me in a liber.
Sell me in a lab and you're in. And we are at
Clarendon, Brandon Hill, Bullet.
Bullet.
Yeah, man.
Bullet is back down there.
No, man. See Bullet over there.
Bullet is up there.
Yeah, man. Up on the peak, we're not up on the peak, you know, but we're up on the nose.
Hold on there now. Hold on
We're
there.
up on the tail of
How
Bullet.
far from you say is Bullet?
Oh, God, man. A good trad.
Good shot.
shot,
You
good
know that. You know that.
And alright, I say you walk too. You know, go nowhere else. You know, don't turn back down, so now go, so you're going up.
So where's the road? Oh, this road.
This road, where we there now, you see?
Oh my
And I said it's an interval this then.
Yeah.
Put you back on the forest, original forest road. So we can walk right so and go back on the forest road, couple look at foot up this up. And
So we can drive all the way.
but we not a better ride for no. We have the forest gate right down the side now. But we run here so no maintain the road.
Oh.
But them the other people on the other side,
Okay.
like Mason River and Sandy River, they maintain the road to go over there.
Okay.
And then them they nearer to the peak more than we.
I was really impressed to wanted was to be a Bullet.
Ash Wednesday.
Yes, but I had another engagement, so I couldn't.
Well,
But,
you
and
miss-
then
you
look
miss- you
how
miss
me I go
something.
crazy over not even know so at this alright at this side.
Yeah, man, you just walk right as now, like an interval to bring you back to the forest road.
Oh.
So after you left out of this lane now, you go enter on the forest road. And when you take the forest road, you continue.
Wow. And that is still in Clarendon?
Right in a Clarendon now, sir.
No. The Bullet Peak is it still
Right,
still
yeah,
in
man,
Clarendon?
in the heart of Clarendon, man.
Whoa, hey. But
and at the same time,
but Jamaica now one little place I can't tell some people and make it terms.
But we can-
For Clarendon alone.
What the other thing what them say? The other thing they said, Bullet at the center for Jamaica.
Whoa.
We don't follow the tradition. I don't know really it is, but that me get to understand still.
Whoa.
I learn about. You know what I mean? So we have to just work with it.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah. I didn't know we was so close to Bullet.
Right, alright, we not if it come to the distance that we go, we not have to go nowhere else to continue the journey. We just go right back to Antonio.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how when you not pick the cocoa now, you stay up on the tree and that's how you get.
Oh, you just frost it out like that.
It just melt out and fight one. And decay.
Okay.
So if you pick it, you know, you get this, you know, you get that.
I don't know what that.
So if you not pick it, this way you get.
Okay.
Stay right back on the tree.
And just
And decay back.
Yes, turn fertilizer.
Right.
Come papi, M name.
So if you don't harvest it,
Right.
Yeah.
it will rot.
Okay.
Right.
Every plant is like that.
And then that's how it used to come to mirror and this one.
You know, say sun really are down that side. Can't believe it. So the sun down a different direction. Now we're down back. It's managed to Wow. And then now, see, it's on position that way. I think I'm confused by this sun. It's in the direction in which me I look forward to it now. It that way. Earlier on it showed that way. So, that way. And look at the hilly terrain. hills and the valleys of this place. Hills of Clarendon. A truck is in the distance. And the sun. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. We have to stop at this point because that truck is in the distance and we have here narrow roads in this neck of the woods. I'll never see that truck. It's alright. So bring it truck. Thank God. And look at it. Nice. Much the concrete. One whole heap of, look at this. Some concrete look like a truck just come up and just dump some concrete.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They not carry back.
But give it to somebody.
Actually,
Give it to somebody that pour it in. But they can put it in the road and go spread it. But they could have stopped and give it to somebody. Gully that, you know, that were like 30, 40 feet down. Jeez, peace. Hey. And as I'm also gonna show you guys as we come from out of the hills of Brandon Hill. Just gonna give you a 360 as this here, as I show you how this here is set up. And this is the direction as to where we're coming from. Look at, you see all the direction in where we're coming from, and see where we were at, Brandon Hill. And you see I have Chowtal, and yeah, we have all the other places, Kids in Town and all of that. All of them is back that direction, eh? And that one brings you to Chapelton, Maypen, wherever back that side, and that one bring you back to, whoa, this place is. And as this vlog comes to an end, 360, I say so long, and I will see you in the next video, guys. This is the district that we covered today, and we come to this part. See, ever blessed people. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for journeying with Ever Blessed today in this video. And the bus is in the distance. Oh, that's not the bus. But anyway, this is the surrounding of this area.